Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have my Vine O box. This is the winter box, the Ooh La La Winter, I think is what this one is called. This is a quarterly subscription box that comes out seasonally. As I said, this is the winter box. But if you do need a box immediately for whatever reason, gifting purposes or whatever, they do have like an interim box that you can get. Otherwise, this box is $59.99, although I do have a discount code for you, so make sure you check the description box and that will get you $10 off. These will be shipping in time for Valentine's Day and I would highly recommend these as a gift. So let's just open it up and see what is in the winter box. This is like my favorite box ever. It is wine and like wonderful things. There's always some sort of delicious snack and just like pampering and loveliness. So I'm telling you, I love this box and it really would make the most fabulous gift. Okay, so this is the box of goodies and then underneath that, in here, is the wine. Now with the wines, you can either choose to have 2 reds, 2 whites, or a red and a white. There's no price difference. Let's see, I have a red and a white. I have a California Merlot from Speechless, New Crush Santa Ynez Valley Riesling. Ooh, that'll be fun. I'm excited about the wine. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I have my cards that tell me little blurbs about everything in here. And I like that they give you individual postcards for each of the things that tell you where they come from, how you can get, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, wait, hang on, let's just look in here. Eek! I'm so excited about this. And it says, I woke up like this. That's too cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love that. Brix chocolate for wine, smooth dark chocolate. And it says suggested wine pairings, champagne, Riesling, Pinot Noir, vintage port. Oh wow. Oh, I'm really excited about this. I might save this for when I'm actually drinking wine, but I just want to look at it. Oh dude, that is a giant brick. They're not kidding with the name Brix, jeez. How do you even, I don't even know how you eat that. I guess like with a giant knife and try to chop it up or something. I don't know, just gnaw on the corner. Anyway, that looks yummers. I'm excited about that. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is a little bracelet. Isn't that cute? I love it. Fun. Oh, that's really sweet. What is this floral thing? Message in a bottle collection. It really does have a message in a bottle. Thank you for your purchase of this bottle, blah, blah, blah. We want to give you a message of courage. This exact moment in your life will never come again. Seize the moment, take a chance, live without regret. Quote to remember, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Glisten eyeshadow collection. Mirabella, I know that brand. Look at those colors. How pretty is this? Yeah, these are super pretty. Wow, well that's really pretty. And I like it's like small and compact, a nice travel size. Well, that is a fabulous box. I absolutely love this. Again, this would be a remarkable Valentine's Day present, you know? It's got a heart-shaped bracelet and chocolate and wine. I mean, come on, come on. Also, this box is just really fabulous as a gift any time of year and, you know, for yourself, for someone you love, whatever. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Don't forget to check out for that $10 off coupon code that I have. This subscription box is definitely one of my all-time favorites. It's just amazing, and their wines have all been really, really good. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!